What is going on, aquatic family? Eric here with Aquascape Gods, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to scape a shallow ADA Nature aquarium cube garden. I'm going to put the dimensions to this little guy in the video at some point so that you guys know exactly like how small it actually is. But we're going to keep this scape really simple. We're going to just throw a couple rocks in there, and then we're going to densely plant it with some nice dwarf hairgrass. I'll also put the specific kind of dwarf hairgrass we're using in a little caption below while you guys watch the scape. I just want to remind everybody, as always, to please like and comment on this video. Comment and let us know what you think about this simple scape we're going to do for it, and if you think that dwarf hairgrass was the right choice. And also subscribe to the channel for more aquarium related content just like this. As some of you know, we are going to do a video every day this month, and we hope you're enjoying it so far, because I know that we're enjoying it ourselves. It's been a lot of fun to challenge ourselves and make a bunch of different scapes, but I'll talk to you more at the end. Enjoy the scape. everybody. Well, that was our ADA Nature Aquarium Cube Garden. Long name, but it's really small. We're hoping that dwarf hairgrass will grow in, make a nice carpet. We'll have a follow-up video for you on that. And as always, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and let us know what you think, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more aquarium-related content just like this. Until the next time, I am Eric with Aquascape Gods. Have a good day.